Welcome to Part 2, Progress Monitoring after an ARD. You've had the ARD, you've shared the new paperwork with the appropriate staff, and now you need to begin progress monitoring the IEP goals and objectives that were accepted by the ARD committee. Let's begin. What is progress monitoring? The U.S. Department of Education says progress monitoring is a scientifically based practice that is used to assess students' academic performance and evaluate the effectiveness of instruction. Progress monitoring can be implemented with individual students or an entire class. TEA identified key components of progress monitoring. You should assess each student's progress toward their IEP goals and objectives, which then leads to you should monitor the methods of instructional delivery and make changes when necessary. And finally, monitor that teachers are implementing the accommodations and modifications and provide guidance if necessary. In order to complete the key components of progress monitoring, you must implement the collection and continuously analyze the data. We have compiled the best practices in order to be successful. In order to implement the collection of data to monitor the IEP goals and objectives, you should create specific schedules and plan collaboratively as best you can. You will need to train whomever will be collecting the data and create a system of collection and collaboration. There are a variety of resources that can be found to assist you in this process on our SPED instruction website under the Data Collection and Progress Monitoring tab. Data should be collected regularly and frequently. Typically, behavior data is collected daily, while academic data is collected at a minimum of 1 time a week. Establishing communication with not only the family, but with other staff members will help make the process more collaborative. Finally, continuously analyzing the data and making adjustments to the instruction is best practice. One way to ensure that instruction is being successful is to compare the new data to the baseline data collected before the ARD. If progress is not occurring, even if it is minimal, then it is advised to reconsider the IEP. In conclusion, after an ARD, you must begin progress monitoring by setting up processes for collecting data, collaboration, and communication.